Introducing the sleek and reliable 2022 Ford Puma ST Line X in stunning black. With only 23,926 miles, this SUV is packed with features for your comfort and safety. From ambient lighting to voice control, satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us now or visit our website hillsford.co.uk for more information. Drive the future today with the 2022 Ford Puma ST Line X.